So students, as we have completed the chapter pronouns, two exercises are left that you will do in your notebook. So open your notebook and complete the exercise which I am displaying on your screen. Chapter 6 pronouns. Number 1 is underline the demonstrative pronouns. Here you need to underline demonstrative pronouns. Number 1, as I have explained you, this is my book, that is yours. So this, that, these, those are considered under demonstrative pronouns, as well as adjective also, that I will tell you later on, that how we will categorize demonstrative, adjective and pronoun. If we have these four words in sentences, then how we will come to know that this is demonstrative adjective and this is demonstrative pronoun, that we will discuss later on. Before that, you will underline here demonstrative pronoun. So underline this and that. Second one, this is certainly a mistake. Underline this. That looks like the car I used to drive. So underline that here. These are nice shoes, but they look uncomfortable. Underline these. Now you can notice one thing here. Each and every demonstrative, after each and every demonstrative there is a helping verb, like this after is, that after is, this after is, that looks, these are. Okay, so remember, demonstrative pronouns are or demonstrative pronouns stand alone. Okay, but if we compare it with adjective, then we can say demonstrative adjective will qualify the noun or pronoun. Understood? Second exercise, underline the distributive pronouns and circle reciprocal pronouns. That also I have explained. So here you need to underline distributive. Neither of them plays well. Underline neither, as it is distributive. Peter and David hate each other. Reciprocal. There are two, I told you, each other and one another. So circle each other. The boys are hitting one another. So one another is also reciprocal. Only these two, right? I may buy either of these two gifts. So here underline either, as it is distributive pronoun. Right? Now open page number 32. Okay, here one exercise is left, page number 32. Before exercise 6, note the work done by each word in italics in the following pairs of sentence. Right, there are two pairs. Have a look. Number 1, this boy is lazy. Second is, this is a present from my uncle. Okay, now here first one is demonstrative adjective, this, and second this is demonstrative pronoun. So first you need to understand this, that, these, those. These four are the words which are considered under demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronouns as well. But where we are putting these words in the sentence, this will decide that it is demonstrative adjective or demonstrative pronoun. Remember, the definition of adjective is qualifying. Okay, which qualifies. So where these four words will qualify a noun, there it is considered as demonstrative adjective. It is very simple. Like in statement number 1, this boy is lazy. So this, which boy? This boy. Right? So the word this qualifies boy. Boy is a noun. So it is very simple. It is demonstrative adjective. Similarly, in the second statement, this is means the word this stands alone. There is not any noun or pronoun with that particular word. Just after this, there is helping verb, as I told you earlier. So it is a demonstrative pronoun here. Clear? I think it is clear. Next is, what is that noise? Here noise, noun. That noise, which noise? That noise. So the word that qualifies noise, means noun. So it is demonstrative adjective here. Who was that? Near to the helping verb. So it is demonstrative pronoun. It stands alone. There is not any of the noun or this word is not qualify any of the noun. Number 3, what books have you read? Interrogative adjective. Now interrogative adjective, again, as I explain you about the difference between demonstrative adjective and pronoun, similarly in interrogative adjective and pronoun also, what books, it qualifies books, the word what, so it is obvious it is interrogative adjective. What, which, who, whom, these all are considered under interrogative adjective and pronoun. So when it comes or when it qualifies a noun, there it is considered as interrogative adjective. When it don't qualify any of the noun और it stands alone, या फिर इसकी जस्ट बात देखिए हेल्पिंग वर्ब आ रहा है, what does he want, so it is pronoun here. Simple rule you need to learn that अगर एडजेक्टिव के पास है, सॉरी अगर नाउन के साथ है, नाउन को क्वालिफाई कर रहा है तो एडजेक्टिव है, और नाउन को क्वालिफाई नहीं कर रहा है, जस्ट नियर टू द हेल्पिंग वर्ब, सो pronoun है, right. Number 4, which way shall we go? Now way, noun, which way qualifies the way, कौन सा way, right. So it is interrogative adjective. Which is your book? Which is helping verb, okay, just near to the which we have the word, the helping verb is, so it is interrogative pronoun. Next is this is my book. Now again my book just qualifies adjective, मेरी book है, possession, mine, my, your, yours, ours, so this is my book, so possessive adjective. This book is mine, just near to the helping verb, far from noun, so here it is considered as possessive pronoun. Next, this is our school. Our school, possessive but adjective. This school is ours, it is possessive but pronoun, just because it is not qualifying noun. This school is ours, it is showing possession but not qualifies noun, so it is here possessive pronoun. Understood? In next video we will start new chapter. Before that, revise properly and learn literature also. Thank you.